Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Epson printer showing an error state and you don't know how to fix it? Usually the error comes due to paper jams or an outdated printer firmware. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear the error by working on the issues I've talked about. For one-on-one assistance to fix the issue, please call us at the numbers displayed. If you're sticking with the video, follow my instructions. Method 1. Check for paper jams. First up, turn off your printer. Go ahead and remove all the papers from the input tray. Once that's done, close the input tray. Lift up the control panel. Now, take a look under the control panel and you'll see two screws. Alright, now open those screws. Once that's done, lift up the top cover and hold it with a tool. Check carefully for any jam paper inside. If you see a piece stuck in there, gently pull it out. Once you're done, close the top cover and lower the control panel back down. Next, stand your printer on its left or right side. This helps you get to the bottom part of the printer, where paper can also get stuck. Now, slide the output paper tray and look for any jam paper or small bits that might be hiding, and that's it. If removing jam papers cleared the error, please subscribe to our channel. If not, let's update the printer driver. Method 2. Update printer driver. Go to your computer, press the Windows plus R key to open the Run dialog box. Once the dialog box appears, search devmgmt.msc. Now, click on Print Queues or Printers and find your printer. Right-click on your printer and select Update Driver. Click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option. If you're facing any other problems with your Epson printer, please let us know in the comments. Now, let's see if there's a firmware update. Method 3. Firmware Update. Open your browser and go to official website of Epson Firmware Update. Scroll down and click on Download it here hyperlink. On the next page, scroll down and click the download button according to your device's operating system. Save the file on your computer and click on Save. After downloading, navigate to Downloaded Application, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. On the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement and select the Agree option, and then click OK. In the Epson Software Update window, select your product. Now, the Epson Software Updater checks for software updates. After updates appear in the Updater window, check the Firmware Updater and click on Install Items button. Again, on the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement and select the Agree option, then click OK. Here, the Firmware Updater will start downloading. Now, in the Epson Firmware Updater window, read the instructions and precautions for updating, then click on Start button. Wait for the firmware update preparations to complete. Once the firmware update is completed, click on Finish and try printing again. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.